In this video we're taking a closer and honest look at the REXAS Finance Token, known as $RXS, and the question many are asking, is it a scam or a real crypto project? REXAS Finance promotes itself as a blockchain platform aiming to tokenize real-world assets like real estate, gold, and intellectual property, with its native RXS token built on the Ethereum network. The project ran a large multi-stage pre-sale that reportedly raised tens of millions of dollars, followed by listings on exchanges like MEXC, Bitmart, and LBank. However, soon after launch, RXS saw a massive price crash, dropping more than 90% from its pre-sale value. Many early investors have shared negative experiences, citing issues like restricted withdrawals, forced KYC verification, and poor communication from the team. Reviews on platforms like Trustpilot have also been overwhelmingly negative, with users alleging misleading marketing and unfair token distribution. While REXAS Finance maintains that it's building a legitimate asset-backed ecosystem, the lack of transparency, rapid price decline, and high investor dissatisfaction raise serious red flags. As always, approach such new tokens with extreme caution, verify contract details, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Subscribe for more factual and balanced crypto reviews that help you stay safe in the market.